So I've got a beautiful group of Saturday morning fabrics, and the reason I picked them was they're all sheath dress. They all do really well with a sheath dress, and let me give you the concept. The sheath dress, the knit, doesn't have to have all of the pieces knit. It can be partly woven and then partly knit. So for instance, you could have the side panels in the gray and the center panels in a floral. And that could, you know, just you could fuse that and underline it and just be beautiful. So these are combinations I put together for that purpose. They can be used obviously for anything, and they're all $14.99 today and tomorrow. So this is a cotton poly. This is like a scuba. It's a beautiful gray color. It's kind of a mid-tone gray color. It has stretch in both directions. Very pretty, very pretty. This is a floral cotton poly burnout. Isn't that beautiful? So it'd be really pretty laced over something for just a center panel. I thought that was really pretty. This is a pinstripe. This is 100% viscose. Again, beautiful piece of fabric. And this is, milk is the background, and that stripe is black or gray. I'm not sure which it is. It looks good with gray. It looks good with black. So I put both in here just to give you those options. This is a reversible stripe. This is beautiful, mostly cotton. It's got a little tiny bit of poly, and it's got viscose and cotton and a little bit of poly. The fabric content was on here, but again, a beautiful fabric, just a gorgeous jacket, but also a sheath. And then you could do knit sides. This is a black woven. Again, this could be the sides where you could put this in the middle. This is a viscose. Beautiful drape on this, really beautiful drape. It's like a very dense fabric, and again, $14.99, just a really great price. This has got a tiny bit of poly in it, but it's very small. Beautiful piece. This last piece is a reversible knit, so you can see it has stretch in both directions, but you could use both sides. I'm not even sure which side's the right side. They're both really nice. Again, stretch in both directions, and it's got cotton poly, again, mostly cotton. Just a tiny little bit of poly in there. Again, today, $14.99. Great coordinates, the goal, you know it. Happy sewing from Silhouette Patterns.